So in modern data centers, a lot of our customers have challenges of new technologies, new business requirements, new technical requirements.
Data centers and supercomputers have just continued to increase in size, increase in computational power.
We're simply at a point where the computers we're having to deploy to solve the problems we're trying to fix are just way too hot. They take far too much power and they just generate this enormous amount of heat. Trying to cool them with air simply doesn't work. So we need a new way of trying to cool the data centers so that we can do it effectively, efficiently, and sustainably.
Penguin's role is to understand the needs of our customers, as well as understand the new technologies to empower our customers to solve their most complex problems.
NVIDIA is known for their hardware. We provide the most performant technology available to data centers, supercomputers, and the engineering and scientific community.
NVIDIA are bringing the GPU capability and knowledge around the software. Penguin is the integrator, and then with Shell we bring our expertise on the immersion fluid. The Shell immersion fluid is very important when we're looking at sustainability. The difference between immersion cooling and air cooling is simply the efficiency. To try and move the amount of air around the room to cool the computers, you're having to move an enormous amount of air. It's extremely inefficient. Immersion cooling, you're taking the heat directly from the chips and you're simply taking the heat away. And the fluids have much higher thermal capacity, so they can remove the heat at the right rate. The collaboration between Shell, NVIDIA and Penguin has been a wonderful opportunity to show that between us we can really build these sustainable systems.
It's also great for a company's bottom line. They're using and leveraging the newest technologies to deliver their business more efficiently.
Bringing these three technologies together really does provide that next step in these data center solutions that we're working to build.
So one of the most exciting things about the partnership of Penguin Solutions, NVIDIA, and Shell coming together is the ability to bring the right technologies together, truly understand them, and not only are we able to deliver a complete solution and efficient solution for our customer, but we're also setting the best practices for our industry. We're solving today's problems efficiently, but in a way that allows us to scale to the data center sizes that are required to solve problems, but also to scale into the future to ensure that we're always doing it sustainably.